Take a look at this new video tonight. Windows busted and money stolen from businesses in Denver. And this appears to be a growing problem here. Just this past weekend, shops were targeted in busy Cherry Creek North. And tonight, police are checking to see if any could be connected. Denver 7's Liz Gilardi's in Cherry Creek. And Liz, some of those owners are still waiting for repairs.
Well, yeah, plywood is still up. Owners are waiting for new glass to come in. They say the burglars threw a rock through the windows and knew exactly what they were looking for when they went inside.
There was a hole in the bottom, and it kind of all shattered from down here, and he crawled through.
Chefs showed up, found shattered glass at this Cherry Creek restaurant. Then they looked next door. Another window broken.
Guy threw a rock, climbed through the hole, went all the way down the bar, past all the spirits, and then came back and only wanted the register and cash.
Police say this happened to 3 Cherry Creek businesses. Thieves smashing windows in search of money. They stole cash from drawers and even took registers. This picture shows glass all over the floor at Sweet Ginger, right next to La Maurice, one of the other restaurants broken into.
Maybe another $200, maybe they just want some cash.
All around town, businesses are seeing the same thing. We counted at least 5 others just like this since the beginning of the month. This one caught on tape. You can see the window break at Angelo's CDs and more in the 1900 block of South Broadway. A frantic suspect searches the register for cash but didn't find any. He checks again, then runs out with the alarm blaring.
Hearing it almost every week now of somebody else being hit. It's discouraging.
La Maurice is also turning over surveillance video to police, hoping they can catch these smash and grab burglars.
We're all working for the holidays, and it's hard to see. I know people are desperate out there, but we're all working for it too, so it hurts every business that gets hit.
Yeah, it is tough on those small businesses. Now, one of the managers in Cherry Creek tells me they've caught 2 people on surveillance video, with one serving as a lookout. So again, it sounds very similar. Investigators right now are checking to see if any of these crimes could be connected. And tonight, police are telling businesses to set their alarms if they have one and encouraging them not to keep any cash inside overnight. Reporting live in the newsroom, Liz Gilardi, Denver 7.